Hi guys, it's Peg. I have big news. I couldn't be any more excited. I have fabulous happy mail from my friend Chelsea. And what does it contain? You know, this is the envelope that we usually see coming from somebody. It contains Shell's designs for Stencil Girl. I'm so stoked. She sent these to me to try out. They're releasing soon, and I'm just gonna throw a video up for her, but I want you to see these stencils. I mean, this is almost, to me, it looks like a cactus rose, you know, because it's got, but this, she says they're gently used. Yeah, I understand. You got to try them out, right? But look at how beautiful that is. This is just done on some, what do they call this stuff? Scrapbook paper that looks like ledger paper. But how cool is that? And it's got brown. She knows I like it. She knows I like it already. Brown and green and red. Fabulous. This one is Cactus. It's a 6x6 Z006. Then she has another cactus. This one, let me slide this under here so you guys can see it. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? This one is called Saguaro Scene. It's Z008, and it is those fabulous, huge cactus that you see out in the desert that Shel does such a wonderful job of. You know, she's out touring in the Southwest right now, so, I mean, she's, you know, seeing this stuff in person. But how does that come out? I mean, here's a piece that she did with just a small 6x6 piece where she took two of the cacti, and made this piece. Looks almost like watercolor background, maybe with some gesso over it. How pretty is that? And last but not least, my favorite is this one. This has it all. I mean, it's got these yucca looking things. It's got these spiny looking things. It's got the cactus with flowers on top, these little barrel cactus. How perfect is this? And look at how it stencils. Absolutely fabulous, right? And here's one that looks like she did it on a gel plate. So I'm going to play around with these and see what I can do.